Good morning to all of you. Today we have discussed about some problems. After that we study about the differentiation of logarithmic functions. Now we take some example here. Now, question number 35, differentiate cos inverse 2x square minus 1 with respect to under root 1 minus x square at x equal to half. And question number 36, if y equal to log x to the power x and z is equal to x to the power x, then find dy by dz at x is equal to e. Now, solution 35 here. In this case, differentiate cos inverse 2x square minus y equal to cos inverse 2x square minus 1. Let us suppose that y is equal to 2 cos inverse 2x square minus 1. Then putting x equal to cos theta here, x equal to cos theta here. In this case, y equal to cos inverse 2 cos square minus 1 here, and here in this case cos 2 theta equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta, and here in this case this can be written as cos square theta and sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1, so that we can write sin square theta 1 minus cos square theta. This can be written as minus 1 plus cos square theta 2 cos square theta minus 1, so that 2 cos square theta minus 1 here cos inverse cos 2 theta, and now this can be written as 2 theta. Y equal to 2 theta here. Now z equal to, let z equal to under root 1 minus x square. Z is equal to under root x square and x is cos theta under root 1 minus cos square theta. This can be written as under root sin square theta. This is equal to only sin theta. This is only sin theta. We have to find that differentiate this with respect to this, and this is equal to y, so that dy by here dz, dy by dz, this can be written as here dy by d theta because theta is a parameter, dy by d theta divided by dz by d theta. Now y equal to 2 theta, so that d 2 theta divided by d theta and dz by z equal to sin theta, so that d by d theta into here sin theta. Now differentiation of this is only 2 is a constant, comes here, and d theta by d theta, that is equal to only 2 divided by differentiation of sin theta with respect to theta equal to cos theta. This is equal to 2 by cos theta, and so that dy by dz equal to 2 by cos theta. Now here at x is equal to half, here x is equal to cos theta, we assume that x is equal to cos theta, and we differentiate this with respect to under root this, so that x is equal to half, it can be written as 1 by 2 equal to cos theta, and half can be written as cos 60 degree, cos pi by 3 here equal to cos theta, so that theta equal to pi by 3, theta equal to pi by 3. Now putting this value here, dy by dz equal to 2 by cos pi by 3 and cos 60 degree, sin 0 sin 30 degree, 1 by 2 45 degree, 1 by root 2 sin 60 degree root 3 by 2, so that sin 30 value of sin 30 degree is equal to value of cos 60 degree, that is equal to 1 by here 2, so that this can be written as 2 by 1 by 2, this is equal to 4, so that dy by dz equal to 4, this is our answer here. And this problem can be solved direct methods here. Now here question number 35, differentiate cos inverse 2 cos square 2x square minus 1 with respect to under root 1 minus x square at x is equal to half. Another method here, let us suppose that y is equal to cos inverse 2x square minus 1 and z equal to under root 1 minus x square. Now as we know that dy by dz equal to dy by dx divided by dz by dx. Here differentiate with respect to x, because x is the parameter, so that dy by dx y is equal to here d by dx cos inverse 2x square minus 1 divided by d by dx, and z is here under root 1 minus x square. Now as you know that d by d theta cos inverse theta equal to minus 1 by under root 1 minus cos inverse x d by dx equal to under root 1 minus x square here 1 minus x square d by dx cos inverse x differentiation of this is minus 1 divided by under root 1 minus x square. In the similar things here, in place of x, 2x square minus 1, so that d by dx cos inverse 2x square minus 1 under root 1 minus 2x square minus 1 here, and differentiation of 2x square minus 1 here, d by dx x के power n is equal to n x के power n minus 1 here, so that this is 4x square, and differentiation of constant term is 0, so that this is equal to 4x. 2 comes here, 2 to the 4x, and d by dx under root this d by dx under root 1 minus x square. This can be written as d by dx. This can be written as 1 minus x square to power half, and in the similar things here, this can be written as nx 1 by 2 1 minus x square to power half minus 1, and differentiation of this is minus 2x here. This is minus half and comes in the denominator. This can be written as 1 by 2 under root 1 minus x square and into minus 2x here, so that this comes here 1 by 2 under root 1 minus x square, and here minus 2. We have to find the value at the x is equal to half, so that dy by dz x is equal to half, putting the value of x equal to half here, so that minus 1, and here 4 into half divided by 4 into half divided by 1 minus 2 into half chi square minus 1 to the power 2 here, 1 by 2, and under root 1 minus half chi square and minus 2 into half here, so that now in this case this is equal to half chi square 1 by 4, this is 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2, so that this is a plus 1 by 4 and 1 by 4, so that under root 1 minus 1 by 4 here, 2, this is equal to this, and this cancel 2 minus 2, and under root 1 minus 4 here divided by, in this case this is minus 2 and 2, this cancel, only minus 1, only here minus sign minus half, and this is also 1 minus 1 by 4, 1 minus 1 by 4 here, this and this cancel here in this case, and this is equal to minus 2, this comes here divided by minus half, and here in this case 1 by under root 1 minus 4 here, and this cancel here, and minus 2 divided by half, this comes here, so that, and minus plus 2 to the 4, this is our answer. Now here differentiate cos inverse 2x square minus 1 with respect to t, with respect to under root 1 minus x square, at this value equal to 4 here. Now we see another question number 36 here. Now question number 35. If y is equal to log x to the power x and z is equal to x to the power x is, then find the dy by dx at x is equal to e. Now given that y is equal to log ln x to the power x, this is log can be written as ln x, y is equal to ln x to the power x, taking log both sides, log y equal to, this can be written as log of log x to the power x. Now as you know that log m to the power n equal to n log m. In the similar things, this can be written as x log of x, and differentiating it with respect to x, here d by dx log y, d by dx log y, and this can be written as d by dy log y into dy by dx, and log y d by dx log x 1 by x, this can be written as 1 by y dy by dx, so that 1 by y dy by dx equal to, this is a first term and this is a second term here. Second term here, differentiation of product, differentiation of first x to 1 and second is remain same, and first is here d by dx log of log ln x here, and with respect to this log of log x 1 by log x, and log x with respect to x is equal to 1 by x here, x and x cancel, 1 by log x, and this is log of log x, and y comes here, and y equal to log x to the power x, so that log x to the power x, and here log of log x plus 1 by log x. Now dy by dx equal to, here multiply this log x to the power x ln of ln x here, and plus this is ln x here, so that ln x to the power x, and this comes here minus 1, so that dy by dx is equal to this. Now z is equal to x to the power x, taking log both sides, log z equal to x log x, and again differentiating this with respect to x, this is equal to, in the similar things, 1 by z dz by dx, and differentiation of this is 1, this is comes here, and this comes here, differentiation of log x with respect to x is equal to 1 by x here, so that z comes here, z equal to this comes here, and this is log x plus 1. Now as you know that dy by, we have to calculate dy by dz as x is equal to e, dy by dz, this can be written as dy by dx divided by dz by dx here, and now putting the value of this dy by dx here, these terms, and dz by dx here, these terms. Now we have to calculate dy by dz, dy by dz at x equal to e equal to this can be putting the value of x equal to e ln e to the power e ln e plus ln e to the power x minus 1 e minus 1 divided by e to the power e, and this is equal to ln e plus 1 here. This is answer. Now as you know that ln log e, as you know that log e base e equal to 1 and log e base t equal to log e base t equal to 2.303, or it can also be read log e base 10 equal to 2.303, and this is log e base e equal to 1 here. Now this is our answer, and now we differentiate the logarithm functions. Now next the logarithmic differentiations. Here let us suppose that we take an example: y equal to sin x into sin 2x into sin 3x into sin 4x sin nx here. For the such type of problems, taking log both sides, taking log both sides here, log y equal to log of this sin x sin 2x sin 3x sin 4x sin nx here. As you know that log m into n into p this is can be written as log m plus log n plus log p plus this. On the basis of this can be written as log y equal to log sin x plus log sin 2x plus log sin 3x plus log sin 4x plus log sin nx. Now differentiating with respect to x here. This can be written as differentiation of this d by dx, so that d by dx log y equal to d by dx log sin x plus d by dx log sin 2x plus d by dx log sin 3x plus d by dx log sin 4x plus plus d by dx log sin nx. Now this can be written as 1 by d by dx log y d by dx log y, this can be written as d by dy log y and dy by dx, and differentiation of log y with respect to y is equal to 1 by y dy by dx. So that this can be written as 1 by y dy by dx, and this is also can be written as d by dx log sin x, d by dx log sin x. This can be written as d by d of sin x log sin x, and d by dx sin x. This can be written as, with respect to sin x, this is equal to 1 by sin x, and sin x equal to here with respect to x cos x. So that this can be written as 1 by sin x into here cos x. Now, so that this is equal to 1 by, this can be written as 1 by sin x, and with respect to x, this is equal to cos x. Here, this is can be written as 1 by sin 2x, and sin 2x with respect to 2x is equal to cos 2x, and with respect to x, this is equal to only 2 here. Again here, d by dx log sin 4 log sin nx, this can be written as d by dx log sin nx log sin nx. This can be written as d by d of sin nx with respect to this log sin nx, and d by d of nx sin nx, and d but d of nx. Now here, this is with respect to sin d sin nx. Here, this is equal to 1 by sin nx, and sin nx with respect to nx equal to differentiation of this cos nx, and this with respect to x, this can be written as simple n here, so that this is 2 dot dot dot, this can be written as 1 by sin nx, and sin nx equal differential cos nx, and only can be written as here n. Now we can calculate dy by dx equal to y comes here, and sum of these such type. Now we take the example variable divided by variable. Here, type variable to the power variable. In this case, we take example, if y is equal to x to the power x, then find dy by dx, and 39 y is equal to e to the power ln x to the power x, find y dash. Here, given y is equal to x to the power x, taking log both sides, log y is equal to x log x, and differentiating with respect to x, 1 by y dy by dx. Differentiation of this is 1 log x plus x into differentiation of log x 1 by x. Here 1 x cancelled, and 1 plus log x plus 1 here, and y comes here, so that y is x to the power x, so that dy by dx equal to x to the power x 1 plus log x. This is our answer. Now 39 here, y equal to e to the power ln x to power x. So that differentiate, we have to find y dash. Y dash means dy by dx. Here d by dx e to the power ln x to power x here. So that differentiation of this with respect to this point, and this comes here with d by dx. And as we know that d by dx e के power x, differentiation of e के power x to the equal to e के power x. So that similar things, and this is log m to the power n, n log m, x log x. This is first and second terms. Here this comes here, differentiation of this is remain, and plus this differentiation of this log x to x equal to 1 by x and x cancel here, and this is a log x and 1 plus log x and e to the power ln x to the power x. This comes here. Now this is our answer here, and in the next video we take some example related to logarithmic differentiation. Now like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.